Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unboxing of a new helmet. Which one? Let's see. This is Steelbird Aeronautics SA1, which is a glossy fluo red with smoke visor helmet. Today we are going to unboxing this. In the box content we are getting a plain visor and this helmet. This is the helmet, which is a red color, and it is called the glossy red by company. I also get this clear visor absolutely free enough purchasing this helmet. So guys, this is the helmet. I ordered it on 15th of June to 20, which is getting by 5th July. According to research, I get it that it is the first helmet which has the Nakadog technology, which is especially used in the supercars and especially used in the aircrafts. There are total of 7 air vents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This Naka inflects above the seal allow the entry of large volume of air inside the helmet, which helps to dehumidify the interior of helmet. And the Naka inflects backside of the helmet helps to quick extraction of the stale air. These are the graphics. Aeronautics is written here and also here. This is the ISI badge also there. देखिए, अगर आपका हेड थोड़ा बड़ा है या फिर थोड़ा राउंड शेप का है, जैसे कि मेरा हेड एक राउंड शेप का है, तो आपको दरअसल वो L साइज, M साइज, 580 mm, 600 mm, your head cannot be fit inside the helmet. So you have to order a XL size helmet. This is a 620 mm length. You can see here, this is the 620 mm length, and this is the smoke visor, and there is a clear visor inside the helmet. You can fit it by removing this visor, by removing this knot and this knot, and you can fit it successfully. This helmet around 1.2 kg weight and 620 mm length. I am very much comfortable inside the helmet, and it is also a lightweight helmet. 1.2 kg is not a big issue for your head in order to fit the helmet. My head is absolutely fine, and I can move around the neck to total 180 degree, so there is no issue of overweighting. And I am a glass light person, or I'm wearing this glasses for better vision, so my glasses is also comfortably gone through my ear, so it's a very good helmet, I think, according to my size. And also you can look this after the watching. You can also get a cover which can be too much attractive, and inside the cover, if you have to carry the helmet somewhere, so you can take it. It can be used as a helmet bag. It will be cost around 3519 rupees from steelbirdhelmet.com. Link in the description box below. You can check it out. And there are so many color options are there and visor options are there. 3500 price is very affordable, and we can get it a premium helmet in this price range is very rare, and I think it's a best helmet and it's worth it for this price money. Thanks for watching.